As the saying goes in China, people mountain, people sea. Of course, in Chinese it sounds very different, but it just means so many people. People from sea to mountain, everywhere. This is the Dalian market, one of the major Dalian markets. It's incredible. Every time I come here, I'm just awed. But there's so many people, it's actually really inconvenient to shop here. But they have the cheapest food around, and it's the best variety. They got everything you can imagine. Yeah, look at this, for instance. Tobacco. Look at that. You want tobacco? No problem. There it is. You want duck eggs? There's duck eggs. You want quail eggs? There's quail eggs. Peanuts. Flowers. People carrying all kinds of vegetables. I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. Fermented something. Pineapples. Some food on the street, which is pretty weird. Oh, I lost Renee. I'm not sure where she went. Cloves. Strawberries. Oranges. Everything you can imagine. Actually, if you walk from one end to the other, including all the people in your way, it takes at least a half hour to go through. At least. So if you come to Dalian, this is definitely an experience to do because it's so interesting. It's if you really want to see the culture of China, the true culture of China, this is one experience you must do. Yeah, cool tomatoes, all kinds of interesting styles that you never see anywhere else. Cool apples, seafood, canned whatever that is, cherries, baked goods, seaweed. Shrimp. Looks like little squids. Yeah. And this is just the beginning of the market. It goes a long ways. They've got everything you can imagine. It's a really cool place. Yeah, more tobacco.
No, cigarette.
Yeah, no, tobacco. Yeah. Wow, interesting fungus. Oh, people are lined up. Must be something pretty good here. What do they got? Oh, mian tiao, which is noodle, homemade noodles. Very good, actually. I need to be careful I don't lose Renee. Bananas. Wow, look at the variety of corn. So interesting, right? This is ginseng, I believe. Different spices. Taro root, very common. Renee loves this. I've lost Renee. Uh-oh. She's ahead somewhere. Oh, man. Okay, well, I better stop the video because I better find Renee. Take care.